What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so keep it locked. I'm going to walk you guys through on today my winning setup, okay? I'm going to show you plays I missed and the one play that I took on today. And then I'm going to teach you guys how I want you to spot these patterns within the charts, okay? Whether you're looking at line charts and or candlestick charts. And then I want you guys to begin to execute your plan. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check this out. On today, here's my play on today. If you guys know by now, I like to play the market in both directions, to the upside and downside. But on today, I bought calls primarily, okay? This right here was a SPY 403 call. And so I'm going to walk you guys through my winning setup, okay? I want to show you where the money is at. I want to show you what I see, the lens that I play the game through, okay? Because I believe I'm nothing special. I believe everything I do is duplicatable and replicatable if you guys are willing to put in the work, take your lumps, and be willing to learn, okay? So I want to see you guys hit these same exact plays and setups out the park tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, because the game is the same. These plays and patterns will represent themselves time and time again. You just got to spot them and then be ready to react when you see them, okay? But this particular play, guys, again, in and out, I'm going to show you. We're going to dive into the illustrator on the day. We're going to bring out the charts, guys, and hopefully this is helpful. If you like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. Share this with at least 10 people, and let me know down in the comments below if you appreciate these teaching example and the real life winning plays. Okay, we ain't just looking at the charts. I'm showing you exactly to a T. This is what I did. This is where I bought. This is how much money this equals if you do XYZ. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I am bringing out the candlestick charts today because class is in session. I want to teach you guys this. I want to be able to show you multiple facets of how this game go, but more importantly how I navigate, because I believe my style might be one of the best. But in addition to my style, you can replicate this and get the same results, even better, if you guys mastered. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into today. First, I want to teach you guys and show you guys a gap up. Okay, this whole space right here is what we call a gap up. All right, I'm gonna write this out for you guys so you can see. When you hear us talk about a gap up, look at this. Yesterday the stock closed down here, and then today it opened up here, okay? And so this is the gap right here, this whole little area. So typically gaps like to be filled, okay? Gaps like to be filled within the stock market. So traders come into the game thinking one way or another, if the stock gaps up, okay, the stock may eventually drop throughout the day to fill that gap. If a stock's gaps down, then the reverse is in play. The stock will then work its way up to, again, fill that gap to the upside. Okay, so that's just one quick example, okay? I'm going to get this out the way because I like to keep it clean if you rock with me, okay? Let me go ahead and move this out the way, all right? Now, look, guys, I'm always tell you the real, all right? This particular play right here was what I was looking to make some easy money in the morning, okay? I was waiting for the gap up, initial dip, and then around 10 o'clock every day, the market shoots up. So I like to buy around 9:40, 9:54, 9:55 and ride it up to 10 o'clock. But for whatever reason, I did not pull the trigger on today. And so I missed this whole move right here, okay? That's the play. That should have been another $2,000 or $3,000 just right there, okay? But I missed that, okay? I missed this one. And so, again, I'm waiting for high probability setup. Since I missed that one, I just went ahead and did my coaching calls and talked to the family and helped a bunch of people, taught people how to put stop losses on their options. I did a bunch of stuff while waiting for these setups to emerge, okay? Really quickly, a quick lesson. I used the 14, the 38. I used the 13 and the 48 along with the 200 EMA. So this black line is my 200 EMA, okay? exponential moving average. That's what this black line is right here. Okay, this line right here is your 48, and this line right here is your 13. Okay, so I like to use those, and when they cross, when 13 crosses the 48, you normally get this strong move down right here. Okay, you get this strong move down. But check this out, guys. This was my winning play, and I want to share this with you. Okay, the winning play was the double bottom, number 1 and then number 2 right here. Okay, I waited for after the drop happened. I didn't see the drop happen. I missed that completely. Okay, so I wasn't in the game when this drop right here happened. All right, so I saw the double bottom happen at 395. It touched and went down, overshot a little bit to 394, and then, guys, it bounced up from here and then came back down, and then this is where I got in at, guys, right here. Okay, my entry was right here. Okay, this is where I got in at, and my entry was right here, and all I did was roll these 2 candles up. Okay, might have been got a little part of that third one, and I just got in and got out. And that is where my play was, or how I did what I did in terms of the amount made on today. Okay, this was the play. Okay, and so this happened at 2:05, and then by 2:10 this play had made this massive move. All right, and what I want to teach you guys is you don't have to sit in the game all day. If you wait for high probability setups, okay, if you wait for really quality setups in the charts, okay, I missed the gap up. You guys know I love the gap and go. I love the dip and rip. I love double tops. I love triple tops. Okay, but today I played the double bottom. Okay, I played the double bottom on today, and I rolled that one up for this quick move. It was a 5-minute play. I was in and out. Okay, and then I didn't trade the rest of the day. I was going to try to do something towards the end of the day to see if I can time which way the market was going to go to close out today, like if it's going to sell off like it did yesterday or go up. I said, you know what, I'm going to wash my hands, I'm going to be patient, I'm going to manage my risk, the same things I preach to you guys, and then I called it a day. Okay, but this, guys, right here was the setup I played on today. All right, and so hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully, guys, you see firsthand what the winning setup that I waited for. Okay, it didn't happen till around 2 o'clock because I missed the one right out the gate this morning at around 9:50, 9:55 ish. Okay, every day I notice the market shoot up at 10 o'clock, but it starts to shoot up at 9:55. So I was looking to play that. I got in my head too much. I was overthinking it, waiting for the perfect entry as opposed to just trusting my teaching, trusting my gut. The play ran up like clockwork, like it always do at 10 o'clock. It shot up. I saw all the money flash right before my eyes. I missed it. I was kind of pissed, but I said, you know what? I don't chase. I'm going to wait. And then, unfortunately, I had to wait several hours for another setup to present itself. But after that double bottom happened, I jumped back in, and then I was able to buy a call and ride this play up. Okay, listen, guys, I hope that was helpful, man. I hope you appreciate not only the teaching but the detail, and I hope it adds some value and clarity to the mind of a successful trader, somebody that I didn't go all out today. That was my one trade. I should have had the first trade of the day, and then that was going to be my second one. Okay, but I missed the first one, so I only did one play today. I was in and out within 5 minutes. Okay, and because I played a high probable setup, it was able to again make a decent amount of money in a short amount of time, and I was able to go on the rest of my day, love on the family, coach some other people up, and help other people replicate and duplicate and emulate my process on the day. Okay, that's all it was. Okay, so listen, guys, do me a favor, please like and subscribe, join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. I'm in there every morning calling out these same levels, calling out exactly what the levels for the day will be, where stocks will go, where stocks will fall to, where support is at, where resistance is at, because that's all I'm playing every day. Okay, 395 was support. I talked about first thing in the Discord, SPY, and when it falls, it's gonna fall to 395. What do I do as support? I buy a call, because typically if it don't flush, it will bounce off support and shoot back to the upside. Okay, so at that point in time, just quick in and out for some easy money, guys. Again, not overstaying my welcome, not getting greedy, but making sure that I'm getting in and out with these high probability setups. Okay, hopefully this was helpful, guys. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.